Our environment is full of life invisible to human eyes. Different microbes are almost everywhere. We aim to reduce harmful microbes by cleaning surfaces. Beneficial microbes, such as probiotics, contribute to maintaining healthy conditions. This is how they also function as part of cleaning agents. Probiotic Kiilto Pro cleaning agents help achieve long-lasting cleanliness. During cleaning, probiotic cleaning agents introduce probiotics to the surface, and the probiotics then continue the elimination of dirt and odors between cleaning sessions. They produce enzymes, which break down dirt into smaller particles, allowing them to utilize it better as a source of nutrition. At the same time, the dirt becomes more easily removable from surfaces during cleaning. Probiotics multiply on the surface, simultaneously displacing harmful microbes such as pathogens. Probiotic cleaning agents achieve a dual effect. The ingredients that remove dirt take immediate action, while probiotics continue to work on cleaning over a longer period. Kiilto Pro Universal ProBio is one of the first professional probiotic cleaning agents on the market, which is also certified with the Nordic Swan Eco label. The product meets the environmental and efficiency criteria set by the Nordic Swan Eco label. The probiotic microorganisms in the product are proven to be safe, naturally occurring, and GMO-free. Additionally, the product is packaged in a 1-litre bottle made from recycled plastic and a 5-litre container containing recycled plastic. Explore Kiilto's product range and harness the power of probiotics for cleaning.